Have you ever pondered the influence of data governance on data architecture? This concept may seem complex, but once you understand the core principles, it's like piecing together a complex jigsaw puzzle. Data governance, as we know, involves managing the availability, usability, integrity, and security of data used in an enterprise. A comprehensive data governance program includes a governing body, a defined set of procedures, and a plan to execute those procedures. On the other hand, data architecture refers to the design and structure of an organization's data, which includes its standards, policies, and rules. It's the blueprint that explains how data is stored, managed, and used in systems and across an organization. Now imagine an architectural masterpiece, a structure so grand and intricate it leaves you in awe. That's your data architecture, but without governance, your masterpiece could turn into chaos. Data governance acts as the town planner, setting rules and regulations, keeping the structure in place and ensuring harmony. It ensures that the right people have access to the right data at the right time, and that the data is accurate and reliable. Without data governance, your data architecture could become a Wild West scenario, where data is stored haphazardly, access is unrestricted, and data integrity is compromised. It's like a city without traffic rules, leading to chaos and confusion. Now, when data governance is implemented in data architecture, it brings structure and order. It ensures that data is stored logically, is easily accessible, has proper security measures, and that its integrity is maintained. It's like a city with well-planned roads, proper traffic rules, and a smooth flow of traffic. In essence, data governance and data architecture are two sides of the same coin. They need each other to function effectively. Data governance lays the foundation and sets the rules, while data architecture builds on this foundation and follows these rules. To summarize, data governance impacts data architecture by bringing in order and structure. It ensures that data is stored logically, is easily accessible, and that its integrity is maintained. On the other hand, without data governance, data architecture can become disorganized and chaotic, with compromised data integrity. So the next time you think about your organization's data architecture, remember the importance of data governance. After all, a well-planned city is always better than a chaotic one, isn't it?